cycling adventures on a daily basis were absolutely amazing. The countryside was beautiful to see. I wanted to take pictures constantly, and I absolutely loved seeing the country this way on a road bike.
I came on a trip to Soulfit Adventure in 2019, and it was my first time road biking. So I prepared for biking, learned how to ride, and came here, was amazed by the views, the food. Came back again this time, did an e-bike instead. It was just as amazing, except I did not have to work quite as hard.
I really needed to get away and relax, and was really important to me to be doing yoga and cycling.
I wanted to learn a bit about serious cycling. I guess I didn't know anybody else who did it, so I thought I'd come along and do it with a group and learn a bit. And boy, have I learned a lot about riding in a group, and I've learned that riding up mountains is possible.
We chose this adventure for our 25th wedding anniversary.
Because Andrew's quite heavy into cycling and I'm more of a recreational level, so it was nice that Virginia had an e-bike for me at the bike shop, so that made this trip really manageable for me.
It's for everybody. I came on my own, there's couples here, there's groups, there's friends. Everyone's welcome and everyone fits in.
I was quite scared because I haven't ridden for a couple of years, so I rang Virginia and she was very confident that it wouldn't be a problem, which it hasn't, and it's been amazing.
Usually a bit of a warm-up, then you get into some hills. There's ample breaks along the way to either take photos or to stop for coffee.
You know, finishing off the day with gelato is pretty amazing. So, you know.
Everywhere around these hills of Lucca is just exquisite to look at. There's no ugly here, it's all beautiful.
Best bit about the cycling is the fact that you can actually do what you think you cannot do. And at the end of the day, you're usually amazed by how much you've accomplished.
It doesn't matter if you go fast or slow, it's always hard, but you always reap the rewards.
There's so many things that Soulfit offers. The location is absolutely divine. The food is delicious.
You've got yoga classes to stretch and relax.
You've got freedom, but you've also got structure. So in that pedal, stretch, breathe is a wonderful mantra for Soulfit.
Best vacation I've had on a cycle in a long time.
If you're thinking about it, do it.